Why workers can't get ahead, and how we fix. Today we're talking about something millions of people feel but rarely hear explained clearly. Why workers are struggling, even when they're working harder than ever. If you've ever wondered why your paycheck disappears the moment it arrives. Why housing feels impossible. Why bills keep rising but wages don't. This video is for you. Because the truth is simple. Workers didn't fail. The system changed. Let's break it down. The wage problem nobody talks about. For decades, workers have been told, work hard and you'll get ahead. But here's the reality. Productivity has gone up. Profits have gone up. Executive pay has gone up. But worker wages? Flat. Workers are producing more value than ever, but receiving a smaller share of it. That's not laziness. That's not lack of ambition. That's a structural shift. The cost of living outran your paycheck. Rent, food, energy, transport, childcare. These aren't luxuries, they're basics. And they've risen faster than wages for years. When your income grows 2% but your rent grows 8%, you're not bad with money. You're being squeezed by an economic gap you didn't create. Housing became a wealth game. Homes used to be places to live. Now they're investment assets. That means higher prices, higher deposits, higher rents, less stability. Workers are competing with investors, not just other families. And that changes everything. Work became less secure. 0-hour contracts, gig work, outsourcing, short-term roles with no benefits. The modern job market is built on flexibility, but only for employers. Workers carry all the risk. When your hours change weekly, your income changes weekly. How do you save? How do you plan? How do you breathe? Why austerity hits workers first? When budgets are cut, it's workers who feel it. Longer NHS waits. Higher transport costs. Reduced childcare support. Fewer local services. People with money can buy private alternatives. Workers can't. So the cuts land on the same shoulders every time. So how do we fix it? This is the part nobody explains, but it matters. 1. Fair wages that match real living costs. Not minimum wage. Living wage. 2. Affordable housing that's built for people, not investors. More supply. Fairer rents. Real protections. 3. Stronger worker protections. Secure contracts. Predictable hours. Respect in the workplace. 4. Public services that actually work. Because when healthcare, transport, and childcare collapse, workers pay the price. 5. Rebuilding worker power. When workers negotiate together, wages rise. When they negotiate alone, they don't. The truth. Workers aren't asking for luxury. They're asking for stability, dignity, a fair shot at a decent life. And that shouldn't be controversial. Because when workers thrive, society thrives. When workers fall behind, everything cracks. This isn't about blame. It's about understanding the forces shaping our lives and demanding better. If this resonated with you, share it. Talk about it. Start the conversation. Because change doesn't start with governments or corporations. It starts with people who refuse to stay silent.